Awareness of each of the five senses, a guided meditation. So far today, have you brought kind awareness to your thoughts, your heart, your body? If none at all, that's okay. That's why you are joining us today for this guided meditation. So to begin, please bring kind awareness to why you chose this topic. How your belly, chest, and head each feel when you reflect on this topic. The emotions that you can associate with these visceral feelings. The positive and negative impact of any stories you believe in regarding this topic. The fact that many others are feeling very similarly about this topic as you do right now. How you might feel with increased awareness around this topic. When you can apply increased mindfulness to this topic in your day-to-day life. When you are in the throes of an overwhelming emotion, it can hook you in completely. Mindfulness practice helps you notice when this happens. When you do notice you are feeling overwhelmed, you can use this exercise to bring yourself back to the here and now. It takes just a few moments and extends an invitation to be present. So leaving the eyes open, notice 5 things you can see. You can say them out loud or silently in your head. With each of the 5 sights, pause to take them in completely. Next, notice 4 things you can feel in your body. Note them out loud in your head and rest your attention with each sensation for a few deep breaths. Pausing to notice the sensations you feel in your body. Next, I would like you to name 3 things you can hear. Try to choose 3 different sounds and not the same noise 3 times. Next, note 2 things you can smell. If you cannot seem to smell 2 different things in this moment, feel free to move somewhere to smell something more closely. And finally, find 1 thing you can taste. It may be the leftover taste of a meal, your toothbrush, your toothpaste, or just your breath. If you cannot connect with one in the moment, note a taste you enjoy in general. Thank you for joining us today for the awareness of each of the 5 senses, a guided meditation. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on our next journey together.